Passage in Malacca. This video was taken by Captain Min Min Kyo. Wind vessel en route to Kandla, India, transiting passage from Malacca Strait, encountering with throneless waterspouts. Following waterspout. While my lady namely Lucha was passing Malacca Strait. My chief officer, in charge of navigation watch, maintained proper lookouts and taking appropriate action to keep well clear of the affected areas of falling waterspouts in the vicinity of our own ship. Waiting for many services, stores, spares of bunkers, provisions, crew change, etc.